The lady would take the wooden bucket from mom's hands and pour the excreta into a container on her trolley, slowly pushing it towards the front end of the lane, disappearing into the darkness. These words come from the memories of a woman who grew up in Portuguese Macau. That was the everyday reality for most Chinese residents of Macau just 50 years ago. Today, the city is almost unrecognizable. Macau has become one of the world's most vibrant and colorful destinations, famous for its unique character and status as the casino capital of Asia, as well as one of the world's leading gambling hubs. So we will go to Macau by this amazing bus. And now, even before arriving to Macau, you can see the difference between Chinese buses and Macau buses. Macau looks a little bit more old, yeah, just not that fresh. And at the same time, Chinese buses looks different like this. So very easy to reach Macau and Hong Kong from Guangzhou. It's just $20, maybe $10, 10 US dollars ticket, and 1 2 hour direct bus. So first touching with Macau is starting now. And yeah, Macau is looking like this. Actually, I'm not surprising because I know Asia so good and I know Asian countries. I know Southeastern Asia. And yeah, I'm not surprised. But yeah, it looks crazy. Look at this. Look at this everything. Ew. By the way, I will remind you that Macau is the most densely populated city in the world. Here is the highest density. So now when we just came, and I understand that I like the how the city is compact. It's very small, and through whole city I can just walk through for 1 hour, just only for 1 hour. It's very easy. I already feeling the Portugal vibe, and yeah, it's so nice. My friend is not happy because sometimes I'm making him to carry my luggage. He is not happy at all. Where you can feel the real vibe of the city is not in the public transport. Public transport is the best way to understand the city. My friend unhappy because the taxi actually costs the same. Taxi is very cheap here, but I decided to be an explorer, you know, and know the city better. So they speak not Mandarin language, so that's why I have no idea what they're talking about. This is our hotel, and it looks amazing. Even building looks amazing. Everything looks amazing, and very fancy.
We have an appointment.
Check in.
Yes.
So, quick room tour. Here we go. First of all, our room looked like a barbershop. It's funny, but it's true. But everything's so cozy here, like very retro style. And actually, the quality is in details. You know, the small details, like everything looks amazing. Very smart. This is the warm floor. Just everything is so good. Here is a filter. And you know, the small things. I will show you one more time. Just, yeah, this is a cozy twin room with a big window. So yeah, everything is very stylish. Here you can see the Portuguese heritage. This is so cozy, so amazing. And yeah, this is not cheap. But maybe it's cheap, it depends from which country you watch me. This room for two costs maybe around $80 per one night. And I think it's affordable. For example, compared to Hong Kong, which is nearby from here, but this is much better. Okay, I'm going to drink my filter coffee, I think. We'll start from it, take a shower, and enjoy this amazing, you know, hotel room. Okay, finally, now I think you can see the difference in the color. Look at this. This is real coffee. That one it was bad, but now everything is working as it is, as it should be. So finally we made it. Here we go to drink some coffee and explore this amazing city of Macau. So okay, we are in Macau and we are coming to see the main attractions of the city. Here is actually not so many people, almost no people, because it's very hot outside. It's around plus 32, but I don't care. I have a cover. And yeah, actually this European architecture, I will not just express myself so much because I'm just white Westerner. I have seen this 1,000,000 times, but actually it looks amazing. And you know, the atmosphere here and the prices here are so cheap. They are like in China. They're not like in Hong Kong. They're like in mainland. Very affordable, very cheap, and I love it absolutely. Dominic Toretto Church. You know what I think? I think that all the streets are reminding me Istanbul, and very narrow streets, but Istanbul where all Turkish people change for Chinese people. But actually, yeah, the idea is same. Yes, hello. So main attraction is coming now. I will not make a lot of attention in this video about this because, yeah, this is a basic attraction. The most tourists, the ruins of St. Paul Cathedral. I will just show you something else. Cookie. Oh, yeah, so good, so good. But the most surprising thing that here is not that many people. I expected here to have at least like in Shanghai. In Shanghai, for example, there is like super crowded 24/7. Yeah, but here is fine, a little bit hot. This is the view from the cathedral. Looks a little bit messy, but very charming. This charm is the charm of this old Portugal colonial city. Everything all together. Walking a little bit more, I found this, and I can say it looks very weird, not beautiful, not stylish, not amazing architecture. I cannot say I'm surprised because if the city has too much money, the city start to build shitty architecture. It's fine, it's fine. So, but anyway, let's go keep closer and look. I even found a Colosseum here, and yeah, I already commented everything I think about this. And the most funny thing here is literally no people, just maybe only 10 person except us. And yeah, now we can see the boats. But I like the picture, you know, for the one-time visit, everything looks beautiful. Yeah, a little bit abandoned here, maybe 10 years ago, 20 years ago, or once before it was popular and useful, but now it looks abandoned. One more Instagram location with literally 0 people here. Absolutely no one, only me and my friend walking here. And yeah, actually I like to be alone here, you know. If you know why here is no people, just let me know in comments. Interesting to know, very interesting to know. Me and my friend suddenly understood that we are in BioShock decorations, BioShock game. Yeah, and actually it is so funny. This is BioShock decorations. If you feel like this, yeah, it's even huger, and no one, everything is closed. Oh my god, that's crazy. It's so funny. It's so funny. If you feel like this, just write a comment. But yeah, sunset there is coming, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Oh, the bus, little bus. So the night is coming and we're already in the rooftop of our hotel, and here we have just welcome drinks. Here we go. Life is good, life is good. This is tea, gin, cocktail. And check this view. But the most interesting thing, there is no people on the streets. The city is almost empty, but view is stunning and amazing. This is really worth to visit in Macau. Night is coming, now it's around 10 p.m. and we are out for visit maybe some casinos, and it's very interesting. Yeah, and so interesting that here is no people at all. just 10 p.m. and it's very interesting. Right now we are between just one of the biggest casino and another one biggest casino in a tunnel, pedestrian tunnel. And yeah, no people. Everything looks poor, so quiet. That's why I easily can make my videos, and it's very funny and interesting. Okay, we are coming to another place to maybe see some casino and some games. And yeah, this place definitely looks much better. Definitely, it's just 10 minutes walk, but it's much more stylish. And look, here is a riverside, and there is a tower. So we see very expensive interiors, and literally no one. Interiors are really great. But no people. Next casino coming in. So we came to the streets. Even those streets between skyscrapers behind the casinos, they even though look much more alive, much more beautiful. But we are literally, me with my bro, having a lot of fun just going these empty restaurants and casinos. It's pretty funny actually, and we having much fun, yeah. Final video for today. We are super tired. We made about 6 or 7 casinos, and most of them people playing baccarat. They don't play roulette, they don't play poker, they don't play anything we can play. So that's why we already drank maybe 5 beers or something like this. And yeah, I'm already super tired to just do more smart video transition. So for first days like this, tomorrow we'll go to strip part of the Macau. It should be better, and I hope you'll play casino because we want to play. And yeah, that's it. Cheers.